Oh, that feels better. I don't know about you, but it feels really good to go number 2 in Home Depot. Let's look at the sales. All right, so Ryobi does have a few new things. Where are they? Where's those power washers? I think they're all sold out, or they're moved. Ryobi has a lot of accessories for power washers. The 40 volt Easy Clean, the 600 PSI, that is seriously awesome. $200. Don't get the brushed version, you guys. Like, these two are old. Don't get them. Get the new HP version. This is just a waste. And yes, it isn't much money for the new version for the 18 volt. But yeah, they do have a bunch of new. Ryobi does have a lot of power washing stuff, like a lot. I really want this. How much is this? Price tag on it? No price tag. I really do want that. I would love to have that. Is this made in the USA stuff? It is. Memorial Day is coming up. Got my flags already outside. The store is empty. It's first thing in the morning today, so I want to get this stuff done without much interruption. All right, so Ryobi Days is officially here. Now we stopped the recording. I want to take a picture of this. All right, so they have free tools with this $100 kit. You get 2 4-amp-hour batteries with a charger. Morning. And the list of tools you get are, for this kit, it's really not that great. Fan's good. Another fan's good. So yeah, like these tools are like which of course that expands. You guys get this says for free. See, it's a little confusing. What is that with this? I'm assuming it's with this set. You can get a reciprocating saw. I do not know. This is model number PCL515B. That's new to me. I have no clue if that's brushless. It's probably brushed. Get a 5.5-inch circular saw. The model number for that is PCL500B. You can get the 1/4-inch hex 3-speed impact driver. Don't buy that. It's brushed. Yeah, I think all of these are brushed tools. You get a 4.5-inch angle grinder, which that saw is actually nice. I like that saw. That saw is really nice. I think all of these are brushed. And so, or you can get the compact router. This is a P601. The angle grinder is PCL445B. The jigsaw is P5231. Or the multi-tool, that is PCL430B. Now, I don't think that's a part of this kit. I think I think all of these are with this kit. You can get the precision rotary tool. The model number is PRT100B. You can get, how many lumens is this? Hybrid. It doesn't say that. I wish this had the lumens, but that is P721. Get the radio. I love this radio. I have it. Had it for years. Use it every time I go out in the boat or if I'm working in the garage. The compact radio with Bluetooth wireless technology, P742. I have videos on that. They have a new random orbital palms. Sorry. They have a new random orbital palm stand, orbit sander. Model number is PCL406B. Not bad. Not bad. I wish that was brushless though. Or you can get the mini glue, the compact glue gun, P306. Or you can get the digital tire inflator. I did a video on that, P737D. Or you can get the 7.5-inch fan. The model number for that is PCL811B. That's not the right fan. All right, so I think I'm missing something over here. I feel like I am. No? Alright, so are these part of something? I do not know. I think these are, I think this is, yes. Okay, so this is with these, with this kit. You can get this for free, the hedge trimmer, 22-inch. Or you can, I have the 6-inch version of a buffer, which I like that a lot better than this. This is P435 orbital buffer, 10-inch. Or you can get the 150-watt power source. This is RYI150BG. This is separate. You can get $200. You can get the 13-inch string hedger or jet fan. That's good. It's all right, but that blower's not all right. Well, the model number for this stuff is P2035. And so, yeah, like, that's all right, but I like my 40-volt stuff for when it comes to lawn care. But $200 for that, and it comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. $29.97 for the 5-kit spool. Bits, do not buy Ryobi bits, you guys. I love Ryobi. I think they're a great company, but their bits actually suck. They really do. Please do not buy their bits. It's only $1 more. Get the Makita stuff. All right, these battery kits are not here yet. So this kit, it's going to cost $200. You're going to get a 6-amp-hour, 4-amp-hour, and a 2-amp-hour. I want that kit. I don't see any of them here. I would buy that today if they were here, but I do not see them. A 6-amp-hour, awesome. I want that. I want that. All right, so let's see what you get from that. You get, including with that kit, you get a free HP brushless rotary tool. Model number for that is PBLRT01B. You can get a free brushless multi-tool. I like that it's brushless. That's good. It is PBLMT50B. You can get the 7/4 inch circular saw, PBLC S300B. Brushless. Awesome. You get the brushless reciprocating saw, PBLRS01B. That stuff's right there. On this side, you can get the 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless 10-inch circular chainsaw. The model number for that is PB502BTL. Haven't tested that out yet. You can also get the HP brushless jet fan blower. This is P21012BTL. You can get the 4.5-inch angle grinder cut-off tool. This is a PBLAG01B. You can get a brushless jigsaw, PBLJS01B. Or you can get the hammer drill. This is PBLHM101B. It's actually a good hammer drill. Or you can get the 1/2-inch impact wrench, P262. It's a good impact wrench. The one thing that I can't find right now, I looked all over the store, the Ryobi link system is not here. I'm wondering why. So I seriously want to get another crate for the link system, but I can't find it. If I find it, I'll film it, but if I don't, then it's not here. All right, so when it comes to this side, I've never seen these tools before. I do not know. I'm assuming these are brushed, just in a new body, but $100 for this kit. The kit is PCL1200K2. 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, drill driver, and an impact driver. I think this is brushed. I think it's brushed, but $100 for the tool kit. Or $79. See, like this is where it gets weird. It's like you might as well spend the $20 extra and you get an additional tool with it. Or it's $80 for the drill driver, 2 batteries, and a charger. And the model number for this is PCL206K2. I think those are brush tools. All right, so this kit, $200. You get the. That's actually not bad for $200. This is not a bad kit for $200. You get a reciprocating saw, circular saw, light, impact driver, drill driver, multi-tool, charger, and a bag. And the model number for this is PCL1600K2. That's actually not a bad deal. All right, I do not know why, but my Home Depot does not have the new nail guns. These are the old ones, so $139 for the 18 gauge 2-inch brad nailer. The model number for that is P320. Or you can get the 18 volt 16 gauge Airstrike straight finish nailer for $169, and the model number for this is P326. That really is not a bad deal. Like, it's really not. I'm not gonna lie. There was one more thing I wanted to hit. For $2.99, you can get from the kit that's over there for $100 more. You can get the 2 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, brushless reciprocating saw, multi-tool, variable trigger only impact driver and drill driver, and a charger and a bag. The model number for this is PBLCK104K2. And so yeah, that's not bad. So that's actually a great deal. Like right here, this kit is the moneymaker. Like 6 amp hour, 4 amp hour, and a 2 amp hour for $200. And you get a free tool with it for each kit. That's not a bad deal at all. If you guys get this, if you guys see this kit, buy it. I love that deal. 6, 4, and 2, that's a DeWalt deal right there. I love that. That's good. Oh, I do want to get this drill driver. I do. These impact wrenches are actually good. They really are good. I want to get this SDS hammer drill. You know, like Ryobi's tools are actually good now. Like this, see, this is garbage. Don't buy this. Buy this stuff. I hate brushed tools. I do. That one kit over there is a brush stuff, but $200 for all that's not bad. So yeah, I want to get another air cannon. I got this. Use it in the house. It's totally worth it. It comes with a 4-foot cord. It's also hybrid. They need a 40-volt version of this. They do. $100 for the misting machine. I think that's $30 more than it was last year. We already saw the price of that, so that's pretty much it. Do not buy Ryobi bits. Like Ryobi bits are garbage. See, let's just go here. $20 for this kit. You can get other bits for like these will last longer than the Ryobi would, and it's $12. You know, if you find a bigger kit, $21. So it's like the same price as that. So it's like it's $1 more. You might as well get like a DeWalt bit or Milwaukee or Makita. You know, like I said, Ryobi bits are garbage. It pretty much costs the same price. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos. And please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.